Bismillahir Rahim. Assalamu Alaikum Nazreen. My name is Qari Islam and you are watching Rohani Teacher by me. Nazreen, Quran Pak is such a book in which Allah has spoken to man. If this Quran was revealed on the mountains would have left their place. Allah is identified by the signs of Allah and this Quran is full of the signs of Allah. Allah is repeatedly saying in the Quran that who among you thinks and understands, who among you thinks and considers. Of course, there are signs in it for those with wisdom, and Allah says that we will show you our signs under the open sky and within you to such an extent that you will say that this is the truth. That is why the status of those who read Quran Pak after thinking is very high. This is the book in which every small and big thing is described. Today in this video you will know how much priceless treasure is there in the book kept in your houses, and if a person knows it, then the heart bows down in front of the real Creator. You will be surprised to know that the metals that we use on Earth are not the product of Earth. Rather they have come from some other planet, like iron, which came to Earth through some metal millions of years ago. Science has discovered this fact today, but its mention was made in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. In verse number 25 of Surah Hadid, Allah says, "And we have sent down iron, it is a tough war material and it is beneficial for people." You will be more surprised to know that the water that we use in our daily lives is also not the product of this earth, but it was sent down to Earth millions of years ago. Science has discovered this fact today through geochemical studies, but the Holy Quran had told this to man 1400 years ago. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse number 118, Allah says, "And we sent down water from the sky with an estimation, then it settled on the earth, and certainly we are capable of taking it away." Nazreen, you know this very well that the fingerprints of human fingers are the most complete and unique part of the human body. The fingerprints of one person do not match with those of another person. These fingerprints are a part of human identity through which the identity of any person can be determined. Science had guessed this a long time ago, but Allah had stated this in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. In verse number 4 of Surah Qiyamah, Allah says, "Why don't we have the power to fix even the tips of his fingers?" Where every creature in the universe is giving the address of its creator, there you will be surprised to know this secret, that when a female spider gives birth to children, she kills the male spider, and when these children grow up, they kill their mother, i.e. the female spider. This is the weakest and worst house in the world, where the family members themselves kill each other. O viewers, in the Holy Quran, there is a whole surah in the name of spider. In verse number 41 of Surah An-Ankabut, Allah says, "Those who have kept others as helpers of Allah, their example is like the spider who built a house and undoubtedly lives in all the houses." The weakest house is the spider's house. Science has been believing for a long time that perhaps only male spiders build houses, but science has come to know that only female spiders build houses, and the interesting thing is that where there is a mention of building a house, the word female spider has been used in this verse, and science has accepted the fact that the weakest and worst house is the spider's house. Talking about space, NASA has recently discovered a planet that is orbiting two stars. Not one but two sunrises and two sunsets are seen on this planet. Science has named this planet Kepler 16b. This planet was discovered in 2011, but its description was recorded in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. As two east and two west can be seen on this planet, its description is in the Quran's Surah Maj, "So I swear by the Lord of all the east and all the west, we are definitely Qadar." Information to come before this video will take you towards further surprise. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video so that we can remain in touch with you. Viewers, the sun is the center of gravity of our solar system and the biggest source of energy on Earth. This information related to the sun will surprise you. The sun has hydrogen at 92 and helium at 8. If you look at the periodic table, the symbol of hydrogen in it is A, which is called Ha in Arabic. Now, if we move towards the Holy Quran, there is a complete surah in the name of Shams, and Shams means sun. The total number of verses of Surah Shams is 15, and every verse of this surah ends with the word Ha. This surah has been placed at number 91 in the Holy Quran. Harangoathong Majid will surprise you that the average distance between the earth and the sun is 15 crore kilometers, and if you look at the verses of this surah, they are also 15. Majid Harangoathong music, eyes cannot perceive much depth because space affects the eyes of astronauts. Science has discovered this today, while its statement was written in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. If we pay attention to verse number 14 and 15 of Surah Hijr, then Allah says, "And if we opened a door in the sky for them, so that they could climb through it during the day, even then they would say that our eyesight has been closed. Rather, we are such a community on whom a spell has been cast." The blurring of vision in space 1400 years ago can only be explained by the one who created this universe. Nazarene scientists are discovering today that after death, human bones can turn into stone and iron. The transformation of human bones into stone or iron has already been written in the Holy Quran 1400 years ago. Allah says in verse 49 and 50 of Surah Bani Israel, and He said, will it really happen when we will become bones and pieces of matter? We will be created and raised afresh. You tell us whether we become stone or iron. This information could only be given by the one who was the creator of this universe, Akbar. Viewers, this information is going to surprise you more. Do you know that when astronauts go into space, due to low oxygen level, their chest becomes tight and they face difficulty in breathing and they feel tightness in their chest? This fact has also been discovered by science today, whereas the Holy Quran wrote this fact 1400 years ago. Consider verse number 125 of Surah Al-Inam, in which Allah says that whomever Allah wants to guide, He opens his heart for Islam, and whomever He wants to mislead, He makes his chest very tight, as if he is forcefully climbing the sky. Since we are talking about space, know one more thing here, that science had discovered a Rosette Nebula in the 17th century, which is mentioned in the Holy Quran. This nebula has been present since 1400 years and its structure and color is exactly like a rose. Let us move towards verse number 37 of Surah Al-Rahman of Holy Quran, in which Allah says that when the sky will burst, it will become red like a rose flower, like the red skin of the Holy Quran, in which every small and big thing is described. This Holy Quran has also told the number of chromosomes present in humans and animals 1400 years ago. A human has 46 chromosomes. If you pay attention to Surah Al-Jaljalah of Holy Quran and start counting its letters from the beginning, then the word human will have 46 letters and the number of chromosomes in human is also 46. Nazarene, the number of chromosomes in a monkey is 48, and if you look carefully at this verse of Surah Baqarah and count its letters, then till the word Kiradat, 48 letters are formed, and Kiradat refers to monkey and also the number of chromosomes present in a monkey. There are only 48. A honeybee has 16 chromosomes, and if we look carefully at this verse of Surah Nahal and count its letters, then 16 letters are completed on the word Al-Nahal, and Nahal means honeybee in Arabic, and the number of chromosomes present in the honeybee is also 16. Nazarene, the number of chromosomes present in a horse is 64, and if the letters of this verse of Surah Al-Imran are counted, then the 64th letter is completed on the word Wal-Kel, and Kel means horse in Arabic, and the number of chromosomes present in the horse is also 64. Nazarene, the number of chromosomes present in a donkey is 62, and in this verse of Surah Jummah, there are only 62 letters after the word donkey, which are equal to the number of chromosomes present in a donkey. The number of chromosomes present in a camel is 74 in this verse. When we reach the word Jamal, 74 letters are complete, which is equal to the number of chromosomes present in a camel. Nazarene, 1400 years ago, no one other than the Creator of Truth could have given all this information. All this information is a small part of the Holy Quran. Nazarene, giving all this information 1400 years ago was not only difficult but impossible, when neither science was so advanced nor technology was at such a level. Man recognizes Allah through His signs, and Allah has placed His signs in every particle of the universe. Every particle of the universe is giving news of His existence. Man only needs to pay attention and think. That is why Allah has elevated the status of the one who pays attention and thinks. In this Quran, Allah has sent such patterns and secrets that if a man knows them, he reaches the heights of Allah. There are such mysteries and secrets in this book that a man recognizes himself. And he who recognizes himself, only he recognizes his Lord. To know about such great patterns of the Holy Quran, subscribe Rohani Teacher by Me channel so that you keep getting notifications of upcoming videos and this information keeps reaching you. We end the video with this prayer that you remain happy, prosperous, and keep trying to understand the Holy Quran. May Allah Kareem keep the blessings of your deeds upon you. Allah Hafiz.